During the local webinar, Guyana Dialogue, the Minister of Education Priya Manickchand noted the Ministry of Education will be implementing technical subject areas into primary levels across Guyana.
We're trying very hard, and that's part of the reform in the primary school, try very hard to introduce the sciences, to create an interest from a really early level, more practical introductions to these subjects of study.
The implementation of the technical subject area aims to prepare students for the entrance to the secondary level and preparation for the country's economic growth, Manickchand noted.
Able to contribute sensibly to Guyana, but also to their own lives and the improvement of their own villages.
In another note, Manickchand highlighted that the education system in Guyana has improved, hence receiving recognition for various subject areas in the Caribbean.
We've copped the best science, best TVET, the best overall most outstanding student for a number of consecutive years in the Caribbean.
For the AHGP Nightly News, I am Kerese Gonsalves.